Hello mga ka-channel, good day po. Welcome to our new episode of Math Tutorial. Ang topic po na pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay dividing fractions. Dividing fractions in a shorter way, alright? And not using the usual way of doing it. So I hope you're going to enjoy listening and learning. Pero bago po ang lahat, pag-usapan muna natin yung or kaya magre-review tayo ng how we divide fractions using the basic method. Example, in our basic method, we divide 2 over 7 divided by 3 over 5. And how we did that in our basic method, no? In the usual way we did it, like what we do when we're still in grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, up until high school. So very basic. So 2 over 7 divided by 3 over 5, we usually do is get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication. As you notice, you will then, we will write the first number, fraction, 2 over 7, our dividend, then change division to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of 3/5, that's now 5 over 3, or 5/3. Then you proceed to multiplication. You multiply the numerators and denominators. So we have here 2 times 5 equals 10, and 7 times 3 equals 21. That answer is already in the lowest term because it cannot be simplified anymore. So here's the way that I wanted to share to learners, especially the beginners, our preschoolers, grade schoolers, and maybe grade 7 and grade 8. And it can be applied also to higher math, especially the ones who are doing algebra already. Yeah, they can do it. Um, Example 2 over 7 divided by 3/5, and we're going to do the shorter way. Okay, what we do here is just rewrite the expression vertically. Okay, if you're to rewrite it vertically, like, yeah, because the common expression or equation that we have is in the horizontal way, and so we'll do it in vertical form. So that 2 over 7 divided by 3/5 would have become 2 over 7 over 3 over 5, and here we don't get any more the reciprocal of the divisor. You just have to multiply the numbers in the outers. Our outer number here are 2 and 5, so you multiply 2 and 5, and that will be our numerator for our answer. That's 10. Okay, and for our denominator for the answer is the inner number. So multiply 7 and 3. 7 times 3 is 21. As you see, it's the same answer as we have the usual way of doing it in the previous discussion. Now, here's another example, doing already the shorter way. Okay, example, we have 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 5. So yeah, just rewrite the expression vertically, and so you write that 3 over 4 over 1/5, 3/4 over 1/5. Now here I color it the red so you can see where are the outer numbers. The outer numbers are the ones colored red, 3 and 5, so you multiply that, and the product for that will be our numerator, so 15. And then you multiply the inner, so 4 and 1, so that's 4 times 1 is a 4. Now it's improper fraction. 15 over 4 is improper fraction, so sometimes we are told to simplify our answer, and so what we usually do is write it in mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay, so how many 4s are there? 15, so there are 3 4s, and that there is remainder 3, then copy the denominator. The final answer is 3 and 3/4. Now let's have another example. The 5 over 4 divided by 11 over 15. Alright, 5 over 4 divided by 11 over 15. Again, we will do it using the shorter way. Just rewrite the expression vertically. Okay, the expression vertically, and yeah, it looks like this now. 5 over 4 over 11 over 15. So the colored red numbers are our outers. So we will multiply our outers, which product is the numerator of our answer. So 5 times 15 is 75, and then the inners 4 times 11 is 54, 44 I mean. So that's 75 over 44. It's an improper fraction. So you are told to simplify, then you write it in mixed number. If you're not told to simplify, then that can be an answer, acceptable answer. Okay, assuming that you are told to simplify, so you're going to write it in mixed fraction. So how many 44s are there in 75? So you have 44, so you have 1, right? 1, and then there's a remainder 31 over 44. So your complete answer is 1 and 31 over 44. Alright, let's have another example. What if the example is a fraction to be divided by a whole number? A fraction to be divided by a whole number. Like for example, 1/4 divided by 23. Okay, 1/4 divided by 23. Now, we have to just rewrite it in vertical form or yes, vertical form. And we write that 1/4 over 23. But then 23 is a whole number. So, as you can recall, any whole number can assume a denominator of 1. Therefore, we can write it 23 over 1. Okay, 23 over 1. So your new form is 1/4 over 23 over 1. Then you perform our technique. So multiply the outer numbers. So 1 times 1, that's equal to 1. Then 4 times 23 is 92. 1 over 92 is already proper fraction and is already in simplest form. Okay, and that's it. I hope that you learned something. Keep on watching my videos. Expect that we'll be posting more videos, math tutorials. This is it's Randy Dagat, your teacher of today. Subscribe now.